two particles P and Q, masses 6 and 2 kg, lie at rest 12.5 meters apart, rough horizontal plane, there's friction, coefficient 0.4, P projected towards Q 20 meters per second. Show that the speed of P immediately after the collision is 10√3. Okay, before the collision. Okay, before the collision. So because the surface is rough, we have friction. This means this 20 meters per second will be smaller. It will be decelerated. It will be slower right before it collides with Q. The speed of P must be somewhat smaller than 20. To find that speed, we need to find the acceleration. To find the acceleration, we analyze the forces and use sigma F equals ma. So for the vertical direction, we have the weight force mg downwards, and the normal reaction force upwards is therefore the same. This is from sigma F in vertical direction equals 0 basically. So the normal reaction is equal to the weight force, which is mg. Now the friction force is mu times r. The r is this mg. So for the sigma F in the horizontal direction, we only have one force to analyze. We only use this friction force to the left. So the acceleration is to the left because it's decelerating the motion. So sigma F equals ma. We are finding a, F divided by m. F is the friction, mu r. We know the r is w, and w is mg. So we can cancel out the m, and we plug in the numbers. This is mu, this is g. So this is the acceleration. So after we find the acceleration, we use Sufat formulas. Initially the speed is 20. Let's say to the right is positive. It's going to the right, 12.5 positive, and the acceleration is to the left, decelerating the motion, so negative. And we use v squared equals u squared plus 2as. Take the square root of both sides and plug in the numbers. Use a calculator. We get what we need to prove. In the collision, P and Q coalesce. So coalesce means stick together. So this is the speed of P just before the collision. Q is stationary. After the collision, they combine. We have the total mass times the velocity. So we use conservation of momentum. Momentum before equals momentum after. Momentum is mass times velocity. 6 times 10√3, mass times velocity. The velocity here is 0. And this is mass times velocity. We are solving for v. We have the velocity, which is this divided by 8. We get 15/2√3, which is the velocity of r. Question is find the loss in kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy here must be bigger than this kinetic energy here. Kinetic energy is 1/2 mv squared. So before the collision, we only use this kinetic energy because obviously the velocity is 0, kinetic energy is 0 here. So 1/2, the mass is 6, the v is 10√3. And after the collision, 1/2, the mass is 8, the v is 15/2√3. Use a calculator, we get the energy, kinetic energy lost. The coefficient of friction is still 0.4, distance traveled. So previously we know in the rough horizontal floor, we have friction and we have acceleration to the left -4. And initially the particle r is moving to the right, so positive, this is the speed. And so before coming to rest means in the end the velocity is 0. We are looking for the distance. We use this formula again. Make s the subject and plug in the numbers and use a calculator. And in 3SF with the units we can use 21.1. Alright, I'll see you again next time.